Hello, and let's create a rumble techno kick in FL Studio. I started with this kick and already placed it here in the pattern. Now let's double click on this one and let's put it on the mixer track. Right now we have our kick here on the mixer track. Then click here so we have it double. But let's put this down a little bit first and let's rename this to rumble. This will be the rumble part of our kick. Right now it is duplicated, but don't worry, we're going to fix it here. We're going to go here to Fruity Reverb 2, put the dry all the way down, wet all the way up. I can play with the settings and the size. Okay, then this is a lot, so let's EQ this. From the rumble part, let's EQ. Okay, this low pass. I like to keep this part in here, and then we can add some distortion. So we don't need chorus, we don't need speaker. Or you can try different modes. For example, Crusher is also a fun one to play around with. Okay, and then finally we need some kickstart or some sidechain. And now you have the rumble part and the kick part in here. And enjoy your rumble kick for your techno tracks right now.